Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to John's How to Up. In this particular video, I want to show you how to solve the upload problem on Canva whenever you are using it on mobile. You might be facing one issue or the other on about upload, or when you want to upload a picture on Canva. So let me show you a simple trick that you can use to get over it. I really can't tell why you are having this issue or why we're having this issue, but I'm going to show you a trick that has worked for me. Okay, so I'm going to open my Canva right now. So you click on your Canva, you open your Canva. The next thing I want to do is to click on the design I want to work on. So most times when you have that particular issue is whenever you want to replace an image. For example, I'm done designing, creating this particular design, so I decide to click on it. Right, I decide to click on it and I click on replace. All right, for example, if I want to choose directly from here, from my gallery, it will definitely show. The reason why it is not showing now is because of the network. All right, so you can see now that it's showing, right? So if you click on photos is also showing, right? If you click on video is also showing. But for example, if you click on upload is not showing. All right, so example, you want to go to a particular picture you snapped, you kept it in a folder, you cannot access it via upload here. So I'm going to show you a simple trick that you can use to be able to solve this. Okay, so what you will do is to come to this plus sign. All right, so instead of you replacing the image, all right, what you just do is to come and click on upload here. All right, of course, you know that if you click upload here, you know what will happen. So for example, if I click upload here and I choose this particular image, so and I choose this particular image, it's not going to replace it, right? So but since you click the upload here, now if you click this particular image and you now click on replace, now you can see it. So the upload will definitely happen. Can you see now? So the upload will definitely work out when you do it like this. All right, so if I decide to replace the image, you see that that's replaced the image. All right, so that's a very simple trick that you can use to bring the upload back whenever you want to replace an image. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Please do well to like this video, share it, so that this will definitely help this channel and help other people to also get value from our content. Thank you and God bless you.